Right, so we're on that DNT base station. When we left it, this is the base station where you get a power pack built into the back. And as we left it with the repair video, I was waiting for a chip to arrive for the power regulator within that power supply. And I've done all the bench work with it using the external power supply. And these radios are 12 volts because the power supply is 12 volts. The radio is developing a full 4 watts on its 12 volt internal supply. So Mr. Chippie hopefully is round the corner. And for those of you interested, the chip is a 74S12. So it's like 7412, which is the 1 amp one, but this is the 2 amp version. And of course these sets only draw about 1.4 amps, so that's well in. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie, do you copy?
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, I'm on the DNT B40 base station. And where are you, over?
Yeah, just coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane. Now, any of you have got some knobs kicking around, I'll buy them off you. Next time the radio rallies are back, when all these COVID things, the mobile version of these with the knobs are probably £2 a lump in a box of broken tat.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Right, we're now going through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Ancaster Crossroads, and that radio doesn't appear to be playing up today.
No, well, it's still 11 degrees out here, even though it's, past 8, so that's better.
Roger on that. I'm still seriously thinking of Thunderpole 3000, over.
Yeah, no problem. Right, we're now passing the top of the hills, go down in towards Wilson.
Roger, got you going down towards Wilsford. And the nice thing about this is these feet on it, which lift it off the bench nicely. It's a really good idea, that.
We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, I've got you going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford, very well. And this radio is full 4 watts, over.
Roger that, no problem.
Roger.
Right, we're now going over Wilsford level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing, over.
Yeah, over. Right, we're now passing the Kelby turn.
Roger, got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn, and that's the worst thing usually, and it's fine. Roger, got you going round Rawsby level crossing, and that concludes the test. Thank you. 10-10, thank you. That's fine, isn't it? Absolutely. I mean, I remember when we were tuning it up, the receiver was a bit non-sinusoidal. On the sine wave, there was the up was fine, but on the down, on the negative point, there's a little kink at the bottom. And somebody suggested it could be that they fitted a 10.7 filter instead of 10.695, which is possible. Unusually, it has an F and a G 455 filter. That's correct. I've got a photograph of one of these which I took in 1982 of the inside, and it's exactly the same, so that must be factory standard. But the proof of the pudding is in the eating, and that works great. Right, we'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like.
Tango 21, testing the DNT B40FM base station. This is on a standard replacement microphone, and the radio running on its own power supply. This is a base station test, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Thank you for watching.